situation with Donna and Derek. I'm going to say this. And you know why? Me really, I'm going to tell you this. Donna, you know what? Sometimes me can't play hypocrite, me can't polish. Donna was sitting by her house. I see when the life come on. Knowing Derek, if you want, you promote Derek and send Derek on. You promote Derek and send Derek on, because let me tell you something. When the people, when you promote them business, when you have brand and contract with, when them hear a Derek, a drag you all over, it don't look good. And you know who is Derek. You have to maintain your dignity. You have to maintain your class, because all of this, and I am going to say this openly, I don't care who want vex, I don't care who want unfollow, I don't care. Donna should never be in this with Derek. And Donna only make the problem worse, because Donna, you paying 3 months rent for Derek will not help Derek. Whether you want Derek and Saloni, they just cannot be helped. Not that you're not gonna give him a bread, not that you're not gonna give him, not that you're not gonna help to promote him t-shirt, not that if you hear same sick you cannot help him, but with him food and all those things, if you want to talk with him about it, that should be a conversation with you talking to him, not something going on social media, because you know who Derek is and you have to protect your brand. And let me tell you something, if anybody come out and tell you, Donna, say you're right and to do what you want to do, then don't like you. Donna, take it from me. Me say anybody come out and write and say Derek shouldn't do it by right, because you say nobody enough to come near, but Derek go there and you always welcome him. Me never see you run him, you always welcome him. So that's why him feel welcome and him feel comfortable to come to your house. But Donna, you need to protect your brand. If you don't protect your brand, nobody can protect your brand but you. And knowing Derek, Donna, you should have known that you're not supposed to do it, because him is going to come out, him and him minions them, just like how you have the plank of them, the same way him and him minions them going drag you on TikTok, then going tear you up over Instagram, while your brand, it's your brand, Donna, it's your brand and your brand name. I know the first you see him the eating same thing. I know the first, Mr. Derek go, I know the first you see him eat. And you, let me tell you something. You should never, if you want to say to him, or you should have said to him at the t-shirt time and talk to him about it, but that no, and then you make it rather worse when you go to go talk about pay 3 month rent. No, Derek I go talk same here, and you know say the vagabond them. You hear me tell you say all the while, sometimes if you just double my fist and thump in your back, Donna. You was going so good there that you what lead you into this temptation. You know, say the vagabond. You know, tell me something. You all it, why you all it? You forget when time the pastor then reach out. You know them are gonna reach out to Derek. How you know them are gonna make Derek drag you? What happened to your brand? Why you don't protect your brand? That's your bread and butter. That is your bread and butter. Because Donna, to be honest, Derek, I know say Derek did that, but me tell you something. You know why me say me now me really I gonna get the wrong in this? A long time Derek and he am big food. long time Derek and them big food. I know the t-shirt. I know say him never did that eat and then all of a sudden you know him and him in big food long time because Derek loving food. Derek love him big food. Derek, this is why I'm saying. Let me tell you something. This thing with Derek afraid and Derek can't live nowhere anywhere. Derek have to live uptown. Nothing no go so because Derek they are town every day. Nothing no go so. Derek they are town every day. Derek want to live big. But if him want to work for want to struggle for in that to fit him sweat. No. And Derek you can't come for me. Cause me have sore foot, me have 1 foot and me hungry. So you can't come for me. I don't care. Me they go chat me truth. Donna must learn to avoid certain things and deal with to promote the t-shirt and professionally and send Derek on him way. Years me know Derek. Years me know Derek and him in big food. So I know the t-shirt make him and him the big food. Cause TikTok, you can cash out TikTok money. Every time Donna make people, I don't know why. And especially Donna make, I don't want to go discriminate nobody. Donna make people just a drag her and just a drag her name. And then when time it at me, you come out, you get 3 months worth of rent for Derek, that will only put more problem for you and put in there. You can't pay 3 months rent for Derek and nobody. That's not the point, Donna. That's not the point. You could have promoted the t-shirt professionally from Derek, buy them from Derek, and send Derek on him way. Because you know who is Derek. It's not another person. We all know who is Derek. We all know who is Sharika. We all know who is Siloni. When you gonna learn for know say look here, you're at a certain level and you have your brand to protect. That's your bread and your butter. When you make Derek the past social media drag you, and he not done now, you know. Him not done it now. Why? You promote him and send him on him way. It's not the first. Yeah. Why you can't learn? It's not the first. This thing happen where people come by you and went and then gone you continue with the story. When the people them leave your yard, forget them. You have a whole team of work with you. You have a little baby there. We need attention. Where you think more people for people for you drag you and I drag you bad and me said Derek not done in no time soon. Because that don't make sense, Donna, for tell you the truth. I don't know Derek and him in big food. I don't know Derek is eating in big food. What you could have done when you him come there and him sit down in front of you, said to him, said, Derek, remember, you start this t-shirt business, spend your money wisely, save your money, and build yourself. That you could have tell him on the live. But when Derek gone and then they take up video and a show and a go on, it's not right. And then him now, for Derek head now no good. Derek, first of all, Derek love money. Somebody know where see Derek now and then just get the time then pay now him a drag you. It don't look good. It don't look good for a woman with a brand where so much people look up to. It don't look good, Donna. Me I tell you the truth. And anybody come out and want to see story and I tell you, Donna, I can tell you something. Anybody come out and twist a story, I want to tell you, say, you're right with Derek, then don't like you. Take it from me. Come and I tell you no lie. Take it from, if they come out and tell you, say, you're right, then don't like you. Them don't like you, and you always try. But me tell you something. You see, when Derek go about in business, you're not business with Derek. It's two things. When Derek come and Derek beg you, either you fee your money, you never have to put out your life on Derek. I fee your money, so you give him or you don't give him, and you own the platform. But wait till him gone in a night attack and you know who is Derek. If you don't protect your brand and you don't remember your brand, who are going to remember it for you? Who are going to remember it for you? And you have some of them people you don't know them are what. If them are danka, planka, kankars, or sanka. And you know what is sanka? I wouldn't tell you what is sanka in a papiamento. If them are planka, danka, I think that some of them are sanka. And I'm going to tell you what sanka mean in a papiamento, because they don't mean you know good, Donna. Because once you start something, them jump on it, and then the comment section and people see and go tell people, and this is why the problem, and then your brand is at risk. It don't look good for your brand. It don't look good when you're and Derek in a tamarind. First of all, you're not that me a discriminate, but to be honest, you're in a higher league. You're a woman of profession, a woman of brand. Dignity, you must have pride, and you don't make them dirty people here drag you. I know the truth. Because I say you entertain him at your house. And I say somebody strange, so that's why me I go talk me truth on this. You entertain him at your house, you welcome him at your house. If when the first time him did go there, you turn him away and you don't take him there, so him feel comfortable for come there, so he can't go be biased and say, so where Derek go they go do. And because him feel comfortable there, Donna. We have to look on it. Me have to look at summertime. Me have to look on the thing like the truth. You should, when him go promote the t-shirt and send Derek on him waist. You know to Derek and him big food long time before the t-shirt. You know them and him, so you shouldn't even think that. And if you want to talk to him, to tell him say yes, improve yourself, save your money, you should have did it right there with him into a more, professional, a more nicer way. No, I come through him because I say that at the same time, him a go feel like say you hear the things that him a say, then him a come no, come on, and you know the crew of them, you know the crew be them a go reach out to him, and you know say him love money. You know say him love money, and him a go drag you. You see what Derek do with Miss Blinger, all of them the people, Derek will drag you. Derek will drain your energy. Cause Derek love money. Derek cannot somebody where somebody I go say, you know what I go say, me no like carrying a long time. Me go send you $50 for your Donna. Derek now go say, no man, where with that I just vex because I'm here and Donna that a long time. I know Donna and Donna. Him a go take it and rub you. And if 10 somebody come and give money, him take it and rub you the 10 time. By the time you look Derek rub you and drag you and gone, it don't look good for your brand. I'm here tell you the truth. Try to work on that. When the people them come by you and them come and them done, no to be continued. Leave another first. Remember, with a certain person, when a certain person turn up at your house, you continue the life until today, the day that problem can solve. And come again. This is it's going to be another repeat. I mean, me now look at say I saw Derek stay. If Derek in a problem, Derek will come back. It mean no. And a word, no. That's how me look on it. It is very, very, very wrong. Anybody will come out and come blame Derek, me not blaming Derek. Because I say, you know why me not gonna blame Derek? We all know who is Derek. Derek don't only went to disrespect. That's what Derek know how to do best. Derek don't have no limitation, nothing at all about it. Nothing about Derek. The amount of people when me say Derek pass social media and Derek good down pan them and Derek go unite with them and Derek go neck and neck to them till all some of them have to send him all seas and this is. And that you want to happen with you and Derek? The man come and the man promoting t-shirt, you know a long time man I'm in food making one. If you want to tell him, you should have tell him right there when time him there. Stop this to back. Me not tell you what to do, but would advise you to stop this to be continued. When the people then come by you, when you meet up with the people, don't make these people not come. And nobody never said nothing about Derek in the comment section. When they send you nothing, you see them one say you know watch. You see how you stay? Come here, Miss Donna. Come here. You know watch people and you know watch nothing. But you could have find Derek video for watch though. You see, oh, you stay. I bet it's you know watch nothing per phone. Where you find Derek video? You know open nothing where they send to you, but you open Derek video. You see you turn Nana? Always looking for problem. Always. You come like when time people know so them diabetic and then not to eat certain things and at that they eat. Cause you know so you're not to do it. You know who is Derek. You know so Derek not have no manners. You know so Derek not have no limited. If Derek not partial nobody, him a go partial you. Why you feel him a go partial you? You think him a done? He not done now. Him not finishing now. Why you do it? Why? Why you do that? Me personally wouldn't do that. Me where we're dirty girl fucking Derek, they reach out to me when I promote Derek thing them professionally and move on. Me wouldn't do it. Cause the first thing I gonna say him loving food and a long time and I'm in food. If him when him come to me now, I'm talk to him and I give him encouragement. Like how me encourage Car Black. Girl, you are the beauty products. Come with your lips, your lip line, Come with your things, them one to one. Me encourage. But me not go say Car Black. And you make sure use all something for nose and say she waste money and say no, me encourage her. Since you like them thing there, for another come with your lip gloss, then after you come with this till you can build a care package. You know that's how you encourage people. But me not go see she say what make I go tell her I say I would look at Car Black and say to Car Black say since you have to use too much think when she make up that face by telling her go Lord. And since me want to tell Car Black say alright then Car Black you have to use too much thing just to come past social media and the things them expensive come one time. I would not do that. No. Promote the man professionally and make him move on. People like Derek Castelloni, them from a distance, they say fragile angle with care upon them. Some people just cannot be helped. People like Derek Castelloni, fragile angle with care from a distance, me see from them. Not that you won't help them, but when you go help them, you know say you extra. You be very professional and you stand your ground. You don't cross your line, and then you cross your line with Derek. As it may sound, you cross your line, and me go talk the truth. Cause you know how Derek stay, and you know when you have your brand. You know how him stay, and you know you have your brand. You turn on your live, you hell. As a matter of fact, you're not even the where you love it now. Derek know more people than you. Derek know more people than you. He might not well stable like you, but he know more people than you. Why you like when people drag your name? When you're done, you see one come out and I say people say Donna. The man gone where you keep to be continued life. You know say if you take off your phone and take out open your live and say the plank of them run come. You now have to search your content. Jump on your exercise machine. You know if you jump on your exercise machine and anything what you do. If you take your van and drive around, your plank of them run come. So you don't need content. So you don't need to use Derek and make content. And it's the truth, may I tell her, sister. May I tell her the truth. No make dirty people drag your man. I want me say dirty me not call Derek dirty. It's just that you shouldn't be into that bangarang. I may I tell you the truth. And it's not about people who love to drag or not. You just should not be into here. You're in that you bet people, bear me mind, cause we are one, we are equal. The whole way, me always see something on Facebook. Derek is a human being, but we must be realistic. You and Derek don't into the same league, Donna. You have your brand to protect. Derek now nothing for protect. Cause with Derek, I would have taught things for you, you see. Cause you don't know me out there, you know. When Derek's supposed to protect, Derek do not protect that. So you think him do every respect and I go protect that. So you think him I go respect and protect you, Donna? And when things like this happen and people want to give them review upon it, me know enough for who know and me I go talk this openly. Because when me a chat, me no chat, me no care, you know. And nobody can beat me. My mama and my papa no depend ya. Me know enough for who know. Hey, I did not cast me again. Me know enough for who know. But I so not go on like say. Who no love Donna. And when Donna make a mistake, cause guess what? Not that you can't make a mistake, you know, Donna, but a mistake like that, you deserve a thump in your back feet because you should have learned. You should have learned it had happened before, where you have been dragged until today. But you see, enough for Uno. Go on like say, I'm going to say this, me no care. Wanna go on like say, Uno like Donna, Uno don't like her. Uno one time Donna make a mistake, or Donna do wrong, Uno go on like say she right because uno do me know you know. Uno don't want to see her improve. Uno don't want to see her better. So now do it. Yes, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right. And with Donna, Donna is wrong with Derek. Donna, you're wrong. If I did when Derek dead and you talk to Derek, that would be a different thing. This to be continued life need to stop. When the people them come and left your yard, forget them. I know the first it happen. And only we sit down out there and talk about say Donna right. We say only in a Donna corner, only too wicked. Only too wicked. Only for tappy. I feel no want the woman to feel, man. With friend like uno she need no enemy. Tell the woman say the woman wrong, man. How she gonna learn? She not God of people want she look like God. She is not God. Uno too wicked. And uno bad mind Donna. Cause uno know say she wrong. And uno still I come out and I make it look like say Derek wrong. Derek damn disrespectful and out of order. Cause the same way when he ready, cause I got touch him part 2. The same way when Derek ready, cause I not come to take no side, I just come to chat on 2 sides. The same way when Derek ready, he can find Donna yard for whatever reason. Up to the last time when he feel like he like Donna ain't fine. He could have did fine but Donna yard and talk to Donna. The same way when he ready, he find Donna yard and he know Donna, he could have find Donna yard and tell Donna, say look here man Donna. And explain to Donna, make Donna know how he feel. But we know Derek that. So all of who I make it look like say Donna right, uno is a freaking wicked. Uno want to see this coming like when time. Uno want to see the woman feel and go on like uno in the woman corner. She wrong. She wrong, she wrong, yes, she wrong. Cause first of all, she know who is Derek. First of all, she know who is Derek. We'll leave her for that now. Anyway, I want to touch another part here. With what's going on the media, where even the thing there, I'm going to say this too. So when people sit down, people sit down and talk, and go on and sit down and watch out live and send all of them telling us something. You know, first of all, no truth now come out. First of all, I can't see one comment, so I can't think there. Let me make one and see if it is. Let me make one comment. Not one comment upon my life. Let me see if it will come. If me can start it. So no mind, no see me I tell no morning. Or good afternoon, not one comment. No, my love, no comment now come up. The comment stuck. Yeah. So guess what now? Let me see if no more I gonna happen because I know the first. I know the first this happen. Where but are the biggest one this? So much. I would advise on to the International Women's Day. The whole I know. Nobody come out with the nastiness today. Today International Women's Day. Cry cree. Come with it tomorrow. Have little respect. You know, cry cree today. Who nobody come out with it today? No bother with it today. International Women's Day. For God's sake, take a break. Take a break. Any of people enjoy on yourself. I just that me did come for say. Me I go finish and eat my breakfast and run. So bless upon yourself. Maybe later I come back.